Alright, I just wanted to make a quick video to help out anybody who may be experiencing this issue. If you have a 98 to 2002 Honda Accord and you're having issues with your climate control, basically, you try to turn on your AC or the defroster and it won't come on, or it comes on intermittently. What I noticed with mine is these lights will work when the car is cold. So if I try to turn this on during the winter time, it works fine, the AC, everything. But in the summertime, when it's really hot, when the car is really hot, none of this works. None of these buttons work. And the issue that I've discovered is it's a problem with the circuit board that's in here. If this circuit board gets too hot, it just will not work. The blower will work. The temperature control will work, but none of these buttons will work, so you can't turn on your AC. And sometimes these lights will just come on intermittently. Basically, what I've narrowed down with doing some research is that this circuit board is very sensitive to temperature changes, so if it's really hot, it won't work. But the way that I've found to fix this, and hopefully you can see this on this camera, is you need to resolder or solder, however you want to pronounce it, the capacitors on here. So there's 5 capacitors. There's 2 right here, there's 1 right there, and there's 2 right here and right here. The other thing is you want to resolder, hopefully the camera will focus and you'll be able to see, but there's a little something right there, I don't know what it's called, but it's R5 and then ZD1. You want to resolder those 2 right there. Let's see if we can get it maybe to focus, I don't know. So you want to resolder those 2 things, R5, ZD1, and you want to resolder all these capacitors like I said. So let me find where they are on the board. So there's 1 right there, D1. There's another right there, and then I also soldered a jumper wire from below D3 to R12. Hopefully you can see this on camera. I'm using a GoPro, which doesn't really focus very good close up. So you can solder a wire like this, which is a common fix for this problem. I've noticed in my case it didn't resolve the issue. I had to go and resolder all of these capacitors. Where else? Okay, so here's where I resoldered. So that's a capacitor that I resoldered those 2. So that's, what is that, C15. Then let me see where else I did. Let's see. Okay, so I also did right here C16, this little area. I apologize for my camera not really getting a very clear picture. And of course I didn't do the greatest soldering job. I'm not a professional electric board repair person, but basically you just need to reflow solder to these areas, because there's some issue with the way that these have been originally soldered or soldered, however you want to pronounce it, in that when there's extreme heat they just don't work. So I redid these ones, and I think that's it. So basically you just need to go and reflow some solder to these areas, all 5 capacitors, 1, 2, 3, 4, where's the other one? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and also this area. I just want to go over this again, so and these 2 little chips here, as well as the R12 area. So just redo those connections, and it worked for me. Basically all the lights came on, and it worked. So give that a shot and see what happens.